Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy the next video.
Hi, I'm Larry. We're at the Morris Cruise Night here in Morris, Illinois, and here we have my '67 Mustang. I purchased it 4 years ago and have been doing some work on it. Not completely finished, but we have a...
Before you open it up, let's
yes, sir.
Get an overall look of the car. Like, you know, the paint is just incredible, isn't it?
It is. Definitely needs a little bit of work here and there. However, we'll be waiting for that a couple more years. I did put on some Foos wheels here. Along.
Nice selection.
Thank you. Thank you. And everything else has been upgraded. I changed the front headlights to Oracle's LED lights so I can see at night.
Right.
And everything else is LED as well, including the tail lights and the interior lights.
Now, did you pick it up in, when you bought the car, did you buy it in pretty good condition?
It was in this condition as far as the paint. However, the frame rails, I had to take out the frame rails and the aprons as well. It was all rusted out, typical for the Mustang.
Look at that small mirror. That's so funny. How's it to drive with that small mirror?
Actually, it's hard to get used to, but yeah, I come from a big truck, so yeah.
It's like, where's everyone?
And I upgraded, as you can see, I upgraded the instrument panel.
Yeah, that is nice. And
the seat has been redone, as well as the steering wheel, and I put in a tilt.
Oh, did you? Oh, did you?
Yes.
Wow.
My radio also is a retro radio. It retrofitted, but with all the amenities of today. So I've got a USB cable. I can hook up my iPad, etc. Yeah, rocker panels have all been redone as well.
Now let's go see the engine. I know you're trying to have everyone look at that.
Always. So here we have the original 289.
Cool.
It was a two-barrel at one point, and I changed it and upgraded it to the 4-barrel, and put on these nice Ford Racing valve covers. And like I said, the apron and all of my chassis is redone up front. And I put in this ST bar for extra support.
And do you notice the difference?
Yes, absolutely. I put in some power steering by Borgeson, which really fit perfectly for the '67.
Sure.
I also put in a mild cam.
Okay.
So we're looking at, I think the last time I did it was 345 horse. I have the Flowmaster, the 442s, and yes, I've won a couple. I'm from Massachusetts, so we have several car shows that I've won there.
That's nice. Is that your family all talking?
Yep.
Family and friends in the back?
Family and friends are all here, and yeah, they're coming here to support me from Massachusetts.
Cool.
So yeah, and then I put in an overdrive and a 411 gear.
So you've done a lot.
Yeah.
You've done a lot. Wow. And you just didn't buy the car this way.
No.
You've done a lot.
No, in the last 4 years I've done a lot.
Can we hear how the car sounds?
Yeah?
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh no.
I hope you've enjoyed my '67 Mustang, and hope to see you at the Morris Show.
Don't drool on it. Again.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please share this with your friends.